What's up, more fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. And what do we have right here? So finally we have a price broke above the minor level right here. So we have a new high, broke above the previous high. So we are now good to look for the pullback which we are expecting from last couple of days. Now at this point, after this pullback, it is good that that's another opportunity for a possible buy trades. Now all I'm looking at a next candle that must be a bullish engulfing candle. If we have that, we are good to go along in that case. So let's remove this rejection box because we don't need that anymore. So all we need is a bullish engulfer. A next candle must be a bullish engulfer, must be above 50 EMA. If we have some more pullback above 50 EMA, that is totally fine. Wait for that. That will be even more better entry. If we have that followed by a bullish engulfer, we're going to go long from here till we are in this zone to take our counter trend trade. So nice trending up, nice push up from this aggressive entry, from this head and shoulder pattern, and we are now pushing up towards the next major level of resistance, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. In case you missed it, this level of major resistance is 3.427. that goes to 3.633, from where we are looking to enter our sell trades. Till then, we are just looking for buying opportunities with just a pullback. So either next candle, bullish engulfer, or if we have a fall to 50 EMA, above 50 EMA, for price forms a bullish engulfer, we're going to go long using 1 to 2 ATR for the targets. Initially, I use 1 ATR for my targets. Simple and easy. Look for the condition I've just mentioned. On a one, I'm just looking at exactly the same condition. If we have a bullish engulfer, a next candle, in that case, I'm going to go long. So if this candle turns to be a bullish engulfer, I'm going to go long. But if we have a fall in this zone, price forms a bullish engulfer, I'm going to go long wherever I get a bullish engulfing pattern. After this good pullback above 50 EMA, that can be a deep pullback. All I'm looking at a valid condition. If there's no conditions, we are not taking any entries. Conditions are really important, which is my bullish engulfing pattern above 50 EMA, and then I'm going to go long till the price hit the next major level of resistance, which is 3.093. that goes to 3.287, from where we are looking for the counter trend trade. At this point, price is retest the previous anchor, which is a likely chance that price will push up, but that doesn't mean you start buying. All we need to look at a buying condition where the buyers are telling you yes, we have taken over, and that signal is our bullish engulfing candle. NEMEX right here on futures platform, just exactly the same bullish engulfer here, or bullish engulfer above 50 EMA. Wherever I get that, I'm going to go long and keep on taking longs till we are in the next level, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming videos once we have a good momentum above this zone. Right here, this zone is currently with the price inside of right here, the number you can see in blue. So all I'm looking at, bullish engulfers, keep on taking longs till we are in the next level of major resistance, from where we're going to look for the counter trend trade with bearish engulfers or double top entry patterns. Next one, we have silver. Silver is pushing up out of this double bottom pattern. We were looking for the sell condition, which we did not get, but CPI, as you can see, was released today. That pushed the price higher from our trend continuation bullish area. So no conditions, no entries. If you're wondering, that is not a valid bearish condition according to my rules of entering a pullback entry. If you're my student, you know what entry pattern we look for, and one of the rule is not valid. So as now we have broken above 50 and 20 EMA. All I want to see one more candle, a momentum above 50 EMA, then a pullback, and then a bullish engulfer. In that case, we're going to go long from here. So that's simple. I'm looking at just a bullish engulfer after a pullback. I want to see one more candle, pullback, bullish engulfers. Keep on taking longs till we are in the next minor anchor level right here, 32.00, 32.51, from where we're going to look for a pullback, then a continuation towards the upside. From where we're going to look for the counter trend trade, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming videos. So all I'm looking at bullish trades at this point, as now we are broken above 50 EMA. Remember, conditions are really important. Once we have a conditions, only then we are entering our trades. Next up, we have gold. Gold pushed up nicely from our minor anchor level, broken above 50 EMA, and we also have this 382 bullish candle. So that's also one of my bullish signal. Looking at that, I'm expecting a price to push up from here at least till this recent high, but my initial targets will be 1 ATR. So we have a bullish pressure, looking at a nice 382 candle that happened above 50 EMA. So at this point, I'm expecting a price to push up here on gold, as now we are above 50 and 20 EMA, and looking at this bullish 382 candle as well. So not taking any sell trades, as now we are above 50 and 20 EMA both, and expecting a price to make new highs, so that price will continue to push up till this recent high, from where we're going to look for the next continuations counter trend trade, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming videos. Lastly, we have crude oil is in a process of forming an head and shoulder pattern, bullish inverse head and shoulder pattern. And let me tell you something, crude oil performs really well when it forms head and shoulder pattern. So all I'm looking at a termination zone for my possible pattern. So we already have a left shoulder right here, ahead of this pattern right here. all I want to see a right shoulder, which is when the price hit this termination box right here, 80.62, that goes up to 81.05 here on Ovanda platform. So once the price hit this termination box and must rejects from here, if there is no rejection, price broke above, then this pattern will turn invalid. So all I want to see a rejection, then a push down, and then we will have a right shoulder, and here we will look for our entry condition, which I'm going to keep you guys informed once we have a valid condition. For now, I'm expecting a price to push up till this termination zone, from where I want to see, and we have a likely chance that we will have a rejection and a possible formation of right shoulder. So wait and see how it goes. Once we have a push up, rejection here, we start to look for the bullish condition for our head and shoulder pattern. Otherwise, we have just made a new high. If we have a pullback above 50 EMA and price forms a bullish engulfer, in that case, we are good to go long till this area of rejection. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit a like button for me. Subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.